Hello friends, my name is Amsu. Today we shall discuss about topic the lean project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, lean project management is basically a project management methodology to manage the project. Like we have different other project management methodologies are available, like waterfall, agile, scrum. So lean is another project management methodology which defines that how to manage a project. Basically, lean is a application or methodology used in the manufacturing, and the principles is to the practice of project management. The goal of lean project management is to maximize the value while minimizing the waste. Now here waste means anything which is not producing any value, that is called as the waste actually. So the Project Management Institute PMI basically sums it at to be lean to provide what is needed when it is needed with the minimum amount of material, equipment, labor and space. That is called as the concept of lean project management. Simply in simple terms, basically friend, lean project management says that whatever is required needs to be produced with minimum effort, minimum equipment and minimum labor, and there is no need to put extra effort, extra labor, extra time if it is not producing any value, any value. And if it is a waste means that it is not producing any value, it should have to be removed from the process. Now the lean project management is basically based on three types of waste: Muda, Muri and Mura. Muda means that refers to activities that consume resources without providing additional value. That means, for example, resources are putting overtime. Like for example, they are sitting after, like the normal standard time is 9 to 6 and they are sitting till 8 p.m. but they are the 6 to 8 p.m. they are not producing any valuable input. So that means it is resources are consuming but they are not providing any value. Then Muri refers to the overuse of equipment or employees. That means the laptops are using, hardware is using, software is using, again it is not producing any result. Mura is operational overruns which decreases efficiency and productivity in the long term. That means, for example, resources are working in the night and for the operational work, but they are not producing any result, any output, any outcome, but they are putting value, but they are only putting the time but not producing any result or value. That is called as the Mura. Then the basically project can use the lean project management for reducing the lead time. Lead time means, friend, when there is no waste or no overruns or overtime, so that means you will deliver the things on time. Lower inventory and storage cost is also a very big benefit of the lean project management. The overall cost would also again reduce because you are only using the resources which are required for production, for producing the result. Productivity and efficiency will also increase, quality of work will also increase, and higher customer satisfaction is also a very big advantage of lean project management. Then friend, the main principles of lean project management, first one is the specify value. Specify value means that what is the project value and objective which basically customer want. Map the value stream. That means a value stream map shows the entire process of creating the product or project. Once the process is mapped, it can be analyzed for waste as well. That means basically, friend, for example, you basically map the value stream. That, for example, first you will do the planning, then you will do the development, then do the deployment, and then do the post production support. So that means basically you will analyze the process, where is the waste, where is the things which are wasting, which are not producing any result. Then make value flow by eliminating the waste. Once the waste is identified, then eliminate that waste. And waste means that thing which is not producing any result. Then make value flow at the customer demand. As per the discussion with the customer, you have to make the flow and process accordingly. And then after that, embrace the continuous improvement in pursuit of perfection, that with the passage of time again review the things, see where is the possibility to increase the process of improvement, what initiative you can take to improve the things, so that you can move towards perfection. So that is the main principles of lean project management. The main process, the main concept of lean project management is to basically produce the result outcome with minimum resources, with minimum labor, with minimum time and with minimum space, and focus on the delivery of work, and the things which are not producing any outcome result, that is called as waste, it should be removed. Because once the waste is removed, so obviously your outcome, your value of quality and your productivity and efficiency will also be increased in that case, once the waste will remove from there. So friends, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.